Hello guys, now again a quick video. Look at that shoulder band, how, yeah, you see it. Yeah, this camera has a little problem and it has like this auto firing, but just sometimes. So when I already shot a roll of film with it at a festival. You heard it? It fires straight. Oh, voila. Okay, you can see the shutter. Maybe if I do it now. And now it works normal. But it's not that I can't rely on that. I lost a couple of pictures because of that. So we will fix this. It's just a very quick video today because I just want to do that. After that I will do some sports. After that I will eat and go to work. So this lens is so heavy, so yeah. Okay, it's pretty easy to do. We need some tools. Where are they? I hate it when I can't find my tools. Okay, so we need a normal Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, which this, of course it is. It's not just a normal one, it's, yeah. Get what I mean? I think this is wrong. It's smaller. Yeah, okay. Put this here. Remove the 2 screws of the bottom plate. We remove the bottom plate, and the problem is the following. The mechanism is with this magnet here. You see there's a spool, there's a magnet, and when we advance the film, this thing pushes the magnet onto the spool, and with an electromagnetic mechanic when you press the shutter button, this thing goes off there, and most of the time the problem is there's just some dust between there. I hope I can. Now you see it. You thought that the magnet doesn't stay there when I'm pushing it there. Exactly. So we have to remove the magnet. I'll put this on low. And for that we have to remove these 3 screws here. Like one here, here, and here. That's it. And then we can clean the area. And then we're good to go. I mean, this camera is so old. Of course, sometimes you have to repair something. I mean, these things are built to last for for your whole life. So they need some maintenance. I think we have to remove this. I have to watch out for these 2 little wires here. I think there's another, this screw here. This one is a bit harder to remove. Oh. I have to position that screw right. So now it's easier. How do we remove that? I totally forgot it. Like I was watching a video tutorial. I think just there's some adhesive here. Oh. Damn. So this whole part is loose. It's just I think it's just a bit of they glued it together there. Like here where the stuff is. Such bad work here. I hope I don't break it. Because underneath here it's I loosened that part. And now like this whole part should come off. It came off. Okay, I need some more pressure than I wanted to, but the part came off. Okay, I did it. Oh, I hope the camera works in a second again. Yeah, maybe I drink too much coffee. So I now take this thing for cleaning your ears, and I give the spool a little cleaning, and also the magnet here. You can see really some dirt there. Dry, clean this. parts. Yes. Okay, now just back inside there. That was horrible. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now we will put all the parts back together. Now we fasten all the screws completely. Put this lid back on. Bottom plate on there. Okay. And now let's hope it didn't break this beautiful camera. But I don't think so. You see it's working? Without any problems. You don't see the auto firing problem appearing again. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to write it into the comments. Follow me on Instagram. Check my description. Bye.